Aria mathaitagira maria maturigicĩirie ni maikĩtie ihoya kuri kambuni iria ciĩ taũni ya Thika itige gukorwo ikirekereria gĩko rũĩ-inĩ rwa Thika. Grace Kuria na Eliud Kimani maugĩte nĩ megũkorwo magĩcera iganda-inĩ ici na gũthomithia ũrĩa magĩrĩirwo nĩ gũte gĩko nĩguo kũmenyerera maria maturigicĩirie.
This river is ours. When we get the diseases from the pollution, it's us that are getting affected, and our children. So these are the first steps, just the first steps to having most of the community members joining in and doing conservation.
The lower part of the river, why we do not have Njuui is because we have got so many industries, we have got large irrigators, we have got quite a number of activities that are going on, and the people who have got the industries, who have got those large farms, some of them are polluting the water, that is draining their waste into the river. And we want to create awareness. Some of them, it's not that they are not aware, but some of them is ignorance.
Frank Heckman nĩ ikĩtie mũkana kũrĩ kambuni ici o hamwe na andũ kĩũmbe na kuga ũtei wa gĩko njũĩ-inĩ citũ nĩ ũgwati mũnene kũrĩ ũgima wa mwĩrĩ, nyamũ iria cikaraga maĩ-inĩ hamwe na mĩmea.
I'm here today because we are planting trees, and the Embassy of the Earth has adopted 1 kilometer of trees. But maybe my very last message is I'm looking at the Tika River here, and we just have to remember that those rivers, since time immemorial, have been essential for human life on this planet. So we don't take care of those rivers and all its water systems, the tributaries that feed into the springs and the sources, the mountains that feed through the forests, then we are basically destroying our life.
Peter Dikoning augĩte nĩ mekũnyitanĩra na anyiti itemi na gũtigĩrĩra nĩ mathomithia andũ ũrĩa magĩrĩirwo nĩ kũmenyerera njũĩ citũ.
We have partnerships with utilities and water resource authorities around the world. And in my case, in Kenya, with the Nairobi City Water and Sewage Company and with the Water Resource Authority. And the essence of what we do is supporting these organizations in their challenges in providing more water, cleaner water, doing water management. In the sector, we call that integrated water resource management.
Mĩrĩ njĩra-inĩ, mũruti wa wĩra wa Kenya Power augĩte nĩ mahandĩte mĩtĩ icigĩrĩra-inĩ cia rũĩ rwa Chania arĩ ta njĩra ĩmwe ya gũtheria rũĩ rũrũ.
We started this year, we did our kilometer, and we love the fact that the fire is catching. The other organization have started joining us. I'm informed MKU did theirs. We're also calling on other organizations to keep on repeating that and making sure that the work is done. But this river is cleaned, it is restored to what it was.
Ngĩribotera Njata TV kuma Thika, gũkũ nĩ kaunti ya Kiambu, njĩtagwo Kate Mũiyũrũ.